In this video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in and zoom out while recording screen video. Now be sure that you watch to the very end to avoid any mistake, and of course, if you find this video useful, do not forget to like and also to subscribe to my channel. Now the first thing you need to do is to open your Google Chrome and come to this site. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Just click on the link and then it will bring you to this page. Now we are going to download it. It is Zoomit V801, or you will find when the version has been updated according to the time that you are downloading this Zoomit. So you are going to click download, then the file will start to download, and then you will go to downloads, and then you will see it. Just extract it. Just click extract to zoom it. Then because I had already extracted, I'm just going to open it, and then you are just going to open that application. Then here you can choose the zoom toggles, the ones that you will be using to zoom. Now you just leave this one as it is. That is in the zoom option. Then there's a live option up there. Just leave it as it is. Control +2. For the zoom is control +1, and then for draw is control number 2. So the moment you click control number 2, you will be able to draw, and the moment you click control number 2, you will be able to zoom while you are recording live. And then for zoom, you will be able to zoom when you click control then 1. So I'm going to demonstrate to you of it. Just click OK, and then as you can see, in order to zoom, you will be able to put your mouse where you want to zoom in. So let's say the way my mouse is at this place, I'll just click control then 1, zoom right there. So you can highlight with this one, and then you can click escape to return to the normal position. And let's say you want to zoom this area, just click control then 1, then you can zoom that area, and then you can demonstrate what you want to demonstrate, and then you can just click escape to return to your normal position. So that's how you can simply zoom in and zoom out in Windows while recording screen. So if you find this video useful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also to like this video. Thank you guys.